Hi, I'm Shruti Kothadia. I live in Pune with my family. I'm working as a senior QA engineer at EQ Technologic for the past 4 years. My job involves data extraction, data manipulation, and ensuring that data quality is maintained for a business intelligence and data migration tool. Basically, I spend my entire day working on data. Due to this, I wanted to keep myself updated with data science and data analytics techniques. I did complete a few courses before attending this program, but all of them focused on one tool or one part of an entire business analytics lifecycle. So it was a bit challenging to put all of this information together. But when I came across this program, all the required theory and tools were covered, and it was possible to understand at which stage in an entire analytics lifecycle which tool would be appropriate. The reason I chose BITS over other options was because the lectures were conducted over weekends and the subjects that I wanted to learn were also covered. We had classes or lectures of around 8 hours on weekends. Sometimes the lectures were conducted both on Saturdays and Sundays. Thus it was difficult to manage work and studies, but it was doable as we had access to lecture recordings and I could just go back and understand the concepts that were unclear. Or if I missed a lecture due to my personal commitments or work commitments, I could just go back to the recording of the lecture and cover whatever I had missed. One of my favorite professors in the entire program was Saurabh sir. So he taught us foundations of data science and predictive analytics. The unique characteristic of his lecture was that he would take a problem statement, explain the theory behind it, and then solve the problem statement using the topic that he had taught. His lectures were highly interactive and had a lot of industry relevant information. So we have also implemented multiple case studies and projects as a part of our assignments, individually and in groups. Before joining this program, it was difficult for me to understand all the functionalities that were provided by the business intelligence tool that I was working on, and I was even not able to understand if the information that I'm obtaining from data is relevant. But after completion of this program, I'm able to understand when to use which functionality or what tweaks should be made so as to make the report more interpretable. And whether the information that I get from the data is relevant with what the customer expects. This entire program was intellectually stimulating. Now I can work with any data set and create visualizations or implement predictive models. The entire data science lifecycle comes like a flow to me. I know what is to be done and how to get insights from data. This program includes all the tools, all the subjects, and it develops the entire skill set that a professional requires to be a successful and established data analyst or a business analyst. Overall, I would suggest this program to professionals who want to study, understand, and implement the entire data science lifecycle and take their careers in analytics to a higher level without taking a break from their career.